In the frozen silence of Antarctica lies a fracture in Earth's story. A cosmic visitor, rich in carbon, struck our world and set histories in motion. From embers and pressure came fuels and firestorms that reshaped the planet. Across continents, ancient memories survived in maps, myths, and stone. Science meets legend as we trace the scars beneath ice, oceans, and mountains. This is the Antarctic impact theory. Did our ancestors remember the sky on fire? Stories can carry physics across generations. Across continents, myths cluster around floods, darkness, and roaring winds, signatures that rhyme with impact fallout.
Petroglyphs and rock art show spirals, serpents, and blazing trails in the sky, icons that resemble comets and vortices.
Flood epics, from Mesopotamia to the Andes, describe waters rising after fire and ash, then land reshaped.
Oral traditions compress detail into repeatable arcs: the noise, the heat, the long night, then rebuilding.
Scribes later fixed those memories to clay and papyrus, naming stars, tracking omens, and warning descendants.
Celestial symbols mapped to patterns, alignments, wandering stars, tailed lights, mnemonics for dangerous periods.
If myth is memory, then history begins earlier than we think, and Episode 5 asks where the survivors went next.